Hey, my friend DK here. Such an exciting video for you here with myEcon. And we're just going to let the cat out of the bag right from the beginning of the video here. Global is coming. It's official. I heard from myEcon corporate team yesterday. The live launch of myEcon Global will be in the month of January. And again, official word yesterday at the time of this video, depending on when you're watching this. But that is a very, very exciting time for all of us here in myEcon, and especially for you watching this. Now, just let me share some very important things that you need to know right now. Okay. If you're not inside of myEcon, the time to get in myEcon, my friend, is right freaking now. Like, do not wait for the global launch because you're going to be behind. You're literally going to, you're going to get behind really, really quick, really fast, where you could be out in front of this and you could be taking advantage when the global launch does happen. And I'm going to share with you in this video what I'm going to personally be doing and how you could take part in that. Okay. So it's going to be big, and it's going to be really, really big, and we're going to grow really, really fast. We're already bringing in hundreds of people to our team every single week inside of myEcon and on our specific team. I have links in the description down below if you want to see exactly who we are, what we do, how we do it, all of those things. But I mean, do not wait on this. And especially right now, at the time of this video, you could literally get started for less than $10. There's absolutely zero excuses that you have to pull the trigger and take advantage of this. Like, are you really going to let $10 get in the way of you finding success and creating success in 2025? Are you going to let $10 get in the way of that? I really hope not, because this is going to be epic, my friends. I'm telling you right now. So, what we know is, and the word that I got yesterday is that it's about 2, max 3 weeks away from the launch. Today, at the time of this video, it is literally New Year's Eve. So, probably around, the 15th of January, but it might even be sooner than that. We don't know. Either way, right here on this channel, if you are not subscribed, go ahead and make sure you smash that subscribe button, ring that bell icon, and get notified anytime I upload new content. You will be the first to know. I'm going to be shouting this from the rooftops loud and clear between now and the global launch, and of course after the global launch as well, because you need to realize that our team size, myEcon, everyone that is in the company and on our team is going to experience massive, massive growth. So the best thing for you to do right now to be aware of exactly when this happens, the best thing for you to do right now is literally to get started. If you're in the USA, just click the link below, get started, pick whatever level. I don't even care. Just get on the team so we can help you build and grow in 2025. This is going to absolutely explode, and it's going to go crazy. And if you've never been part of a global launch before, man, it's really, really exciting. Okay. And that's what has me really, really excited today and right now. As we look out into 2025, this is the perfect time to be launching something globally right at the beginning of the year. So go ahead, click the link below this video, okay, and get yourself started. Or I'll probably leave my link right at the top of this video so you can just type that into your browser if need be. Or again, click the link below. Also, link in the description down below. What you want to be doing is getting on my global first movers email list. Okay. So again, link in the description down below. You can go right here to my global capture page that I created and my email list, which here's what is going to happen. Okay. When we go to do the official launch, once the links are live and we can start signing people up, I'm going to be hosting several webinars, probably for a week straight, every single day, multiple times per day. And I'm going to be showcasing, obviously, the new international sign up, the new global members, what they get, compensation plans, all of those things with myEcon. And I'm going to be doing live daily webinars, just bringing in floods and floods of people. So if you want to know when that's going to happen, link in the description down below, get on my email list, and you will be the first to know. So you're going to know ahead of time, okay? You're going to know ahead of time when the global launch is. You're going to know before everybody else, okay? So get on that email list, link in the description down below. And then, like I said, we're going to be leading up to a launch webinar where we're going to be bringing in floods of people. Now, if you are smart, and I really hope you are, if you are smart, Get in now because I'm going to be creating a global sales rotator. Okay. So anyone that is coming in as a global member is going to go into my global sales rotator, meaning all the new people that are coming in internationally, people from different countries like New Zealand and Germany and Canada and wherever, they're going to be going into my international sales rotator. Imagine you get in now and then you have one of these international members down below you, and then they're getting sales from my sales rotator, and it's just going to do nothing but help build and grow your team. So, again, don't wait on this. Don't sleep on this. If you're watching this and you've been considering, debating, pondering myEcon, right now, my friend, is your picture perfect time to get in. Between the multiple live launch webinars that we're going to do, the rotators, it's just going to go boom. It's going to go boom. So right now is your time, my friend. So two things you need to do. Number one, if you're not in myEcon, get in myEcon right now. You only have literally this week to get in for the lowest price ever. Our year-end promo ends this week, less than $10 to get started. And if for whatever crazy reason, making large weekly commissions is not a fit for you, you can cancel or quit at any time. You can even get your money back. I mean, it's win, win, win. Okay. So that's number one. Get in now, get on the team, get ready for the launch. Number two, link in the description down below, get on my first movers list so you know when these live global launch webinars are happening and you can take part of that. Okay. So that is it for this video, my friend. Very, very, very exciting times. This is a new doorway, a new opportunity, a new moment for myEcon, for everybody in myEcon. It's very, very, very exciting. And it's just going to get even better, my friends. And like I mentioned in some of my other global myEcon videos, you know, we are going to see absolutely explosive growth in 2025. So you can either be part of that or you can sit back and watch everybody else win. It's up to you. You could be a cheerleader and watch from the sidelines, or you can be part of it. And if I were you, I would choose to be part of it. That's it, my friend. Get started. Links in the description down below. Hit them up. If you have any questions for me, my phone number is down below. Send me a text message or drop a comment here on this video. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.